fantastics, welcome back to my channel. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ guys. And as you guys can see, we are a bit more frequent with the uploads, and I hope you guys are loving the content because I am giving my 100% and I hope you guys like the content. So if you guys are liking the overall content with like no borax, no glue slimes, then make sure to hit that like button and let me know. So in today's video, you guys are wondering what's that title. So I searched YouTube and I've seen like so many of these recipes and I'm like, okay, so there's just too much of this nonsense of making slime with anything that you can find in your house, and it literally looks like a real glue slime. So I'm like, okay, let's try some of those recipes. And one of these recipes is a flour and salt recipe, and I'm like, okay, so that's just a dough. So in that video it literally looks like an actual slime. So now we are going to test that out for you guys, and I'm going to tweak the recipe a little bit with some of my ingredients to see how it actually turns out. So now let's see how to make the slime, and now without talking too much, let's get started with today's video. So for that we need a bowl. Let's take a bowl. So here is our bowl. I actually like this bowl a lot because it's not too big, it's not too small, it's literally just perfect. So we are making slime in this. So now let's take our first ingredient, which is, drum rolls, flour. So yeah, let's take some flour. So you guys can literally take any kinds of flour, maida, wheat flour, anything. Here I am just taking multigrain wheat. It is the flour that most people have in their homes, and I'm just starting with 2 teaspoons, like 2.5 teaspoons. So before mixing this with any water or anything like that, I'm going to add one of my ingredient, which is corn flour, which will kind of stretch a little bit more and hold its shape. So this is corn flour. All the ingredients are listed in the description below, so you guys can check it out. As you guys can see, that's the ratio. And now we'll add some water into it. Start with a little bit of water because we do not want to over dilute this, so just take a little bit of water, and now let's start mixing it. Do not add like a lot of water, it's not going to work that way. Okay, we need a little bit more, and if the water is more, then we'll add a little bit of flour and vice versa. That's how it works. So I'm adding a little bit more water because I have forgotten to add the coloring. I'm just trying to make this a little bit liquid so I can add the food coloring. By the way guys, what are you guys watching like these days? I have holidays, so I'm just binge watching every K-dramas and Netflix series. So let me know what you guys are watching these days in the comment section below. If you watch Korean dramas, then give me some Korean drama recommendations and any other like Netflix show recommendations in the comment section below. So now the mixture is a little bit more liquidy, so we'll add our color now, and just add your color before or at this step whenever you like. So here I am taking a little bit of orange watercoloring, and I am just going to add it in here. If you're making this for a baby or something, then you can add edible colors also, because this slime is completely edible. But you shouldn't eat raw flour. But if any baby decided to put the slime inside his mouth, then it's completely safe and edible if you add food coloring. So just a suggestion. And now we'll mix our food coloring. Actually a very nice bright orange. Now we'll keep on adding cornstarch because that is what is going to activate this. And yeah, let's add a little bit of cornstarch. Now I'll like fast forward this process so you guys don't have to wait. So here, as you guys can see in this step, the slime is actually pulling out, and you guys can see it's pretty non-sticky. I think I should add a little bit more corn flour as well. I think in this stage it is in like a perfect slime stage. Like it's not too gooey or it's not too sticky. It's just in the perfect condition. So it's kind of like a slime. So as you guys can see, I have added a little bit more color since it was a bit off. So at this stage, as you guys can see, the slime is pulling out of the bowl completely. So at this stage, what you want to do is take a little bit of oil in your hands. If this is an edible slime, if you are making it edible, then take vegetable oil and massage it in your hands like this, and then take the slime and just knead it. It will behave like an actual slime. So I've just lightly coated this slime with a little bit of flour, and now we are ready for the next step, which is making it all non-sticky with the help of some oil. So now we are going to add a little bit of oil, and now we are going to knead our slime so that it will be super non-sticky when we play with it. And yeah, so let's take a little bit of oil into this, not in our hands but into this, and we'll just do this. And try to make this non-sticky like this. Just knead the slime. Yeah, as you guys can see, it is getting there little by little. You need to just add a little bit more of that oil. Let's just, and I'll just fast forward this now. So as you guys can see, yes, this is the literally same slime that I showed you guys. And yeah, that's basically our slime. And yeah guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you really liked this video. This actually turns out to be a super nice recipe. So if you like it, then make sure to please subscribe. If you're a new viewer, then make sure to like this video. And yeah guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys with another amazing upload. Until then, bye bye.